Hello and welcome to Otley. We are going to find Gill Beck Waterfall. I've parked just at the side of the road next to Wharfebank Mills. I think it's Sunday the 12th of November today, and it's about 7 degrees. But at least it's not raining. The forecast was for rain all day. So that's a bonus. Yay! Gill Beck Waterfall is also known as Derrydiddle Weir, because it was next to Derrydiddle Mill, which no longer exists. What a great name though. And it is technically a weir, not a waterfall, but it does appear on Google Maps as Gill Beck Waterfall. It does not appear on the OS map. I think this is Bradford Road, and this is Westbourne Spice. Looks lovely. I don't think I've ever been there. Must put it on the list and drag my parents there sometime. I think this is the road we're looking for. Yeah. Some people say it's really hard to find. We'll see about that. How hard can it be? And it's just started raining. Little waterfall. A little bit muddy round here, but nothing too serious. Let's just have a nosy. Nope, not interesting. I think I can hear water. I can see it. There it is. Gill Beck Waterfall, or Derrydiddle Weir. Might be nicer without the trash, and the water's a very strange colour. But can I swim in it? No, most definitely not. Little tiny one there. More trash. Is that what remains of Derrydiddle Mill? Who knows? Cool little bridge down there. Bit of a waterfall over there. Lovely metal pole there. I don't think I'd even want to paddle in this one. And I think the road is right there. Big mushrooms. Bit of a landslide. These kids are just determined to ruin all my shots. Trying to make a serious documentary here. This is not a playground. Well, that wasn't hard to find, was it? Squelchy, squelchy. My boots are 90% mud now. Well, I'm back at the car. I have been here about an hour and walked about 4k, so thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.